Hey, it's Matthew. I want to show you something I've been working my butt off over the last couple of months to build. Um, and I'm excited about it, but I need some feedback and input. Um, Over the last 10 years, I've been supporting freelancers with mental health project leapers and running community and infrastructure and support. Um, and in that time, obviously, I've had so many questions that people ask me consistently, and I try to signpost them to support and give them some guidance on my own experience, but also amazing resources which are all across the freelancing ecosystem. But I've tried to distill that down into a really simple step-by-step structure that I think will help those who are considering freelancing, getting started in freelancing, or actually even maybe if you've been doing it for a little while. And I'd like to show it you to see what you think. So it's called Flightplan, and it's a step-by-step structured program along with the support cohort for your first couple of years of freelancing. At its heart, there's a checklist. Every single stage and step that you might need to take if you're thinking about going freelancing, what you need to plan for getting your business set up, how you find work and clients, how you position yourself, things that you need to do when you're working and invoicing and dealing with issues and concerns, like a really just kind of comprehensive step-by-step process for the first year and a bit of self-employment. And that's broken down then into a bunch of different tasks for each stage. So if we click onto considering freelancing, for instance, which is completely open for anybody to have a look at the moment, there's a series of key tasks which I always recommend people do if they're thinking about freelancing. So step one, ask yourself why you would want to freelance. Each task is broken down into what the task is, why it's probably important to do it, and then a few pointers on how to approach that particular challenge, along with a whole load of bookmarks and resources and extra support from across the freelance ecosystem. When you've done it, you can mark it as complete, or you can add it to your task plan so you can remember to do it in a couple of weeks or whenever you get around to doing it. But it's not just a list of things to do. It's also a support cohort. So we've built a community around this. That means if you are new to freelancing, there's a space where you can come along with a group of people who are also going through this process at the same time as you, that you've got to check in with in the mornings, ask questions, see how they approach things, learn from others. So it doesn't feel as isolating and that you're not having to do it all on your own. I'm really proud of it. It's still early days and I need feedback. I need people to come and use the platform, try it out, tell me what they think. And we're running a small little beta program at the moment where we've got a few people who are going to be testing the first version of it, giving me input on what works, what doesn't work, what else they want to see. And then we're going to slowly start letting people join the program. So if you're interested in joining the beta, or if you think this is really valuable, what do you want to see in there? What did you ask when you started freelancing? Or if you're an established freelancer, what do you wish that you'd have known when you started? Drop a comment down below because all of this input is hugely valuable.